My name's Sarah. I live here in Wigan with my husband and 2 children and 2 dogs. We bought this house 5 years ago as a renovation project. So unfortunately none of the houses along this road have managed to retain their original doors due to their exposure and the weather. So it was important for us to find something that kept the period of the house but could withstand the elements, and we felt like we found that in Endurance doors. The experience of designing a door on the Endurance website was probably one of my favourite of all the companies we looked at. It was really easy to choose doors, choose the side panels, choose colours, and then swap them about if you wanted to try different styles. We chose the Berwyn door style because the appearance of it with the small window at the top is definitely a 1930s look. And to complement that style, we chose the black letterbox and the key turn positioning. When it came to choosing colours for the door, we didn't want a vibrant colour, and we decided on Claystone because we felt like that complemented the bricks and features of the home nicely. So the glazing that surrounds the door has always been a feature to the house, but I didn't particularly like it and it caused me some problems trying to make choices. By choosing the satin finish to the glazing around, I feel it now complements the door choice nicely, and now I love the feature. So we chose to have our door number placed into the top light as there is a lot of glazing and it adds a nice feature to that, and also I didn't particularly like to have the number on the brickwork to the side. We chose white for the interior because it's neutral and it didn't interfere with any of our hallway decor choices. Because we've renovated all of the house and the front door was still a really old element to it, driving home now and seeing the new door, it just all feels completely finished and I'm so proud to see it when I pull up. Obviously I really like the aesthetic appearance of the door now. I also like the security aspect that we had chosen the finger pull, meaning that the door is always secure and locked when it's closed. And also because we live on a main road, it's made it a lot quieter from inside the house, and it also feels a lot warmer and drier. I absolutely recommend Endurance doors. There's a door for everyone, and in fact we have passed on their details to anyone who stopped by and asked where it's from.